I've been a real estate broker for 5 years now, and I can confirm it's definitely not all it's cracked up to be. Whether you're brand new and you're just trying to pass the real estate test, or whether you've got your license but now you have no idea what to do next, or are a seasoned agent that's been in it a while but you're considering throwing in the towel, then this video is for you. Hey guys, Anthony Beckham here. Welcome to the channel where real estate is life. I've been getting a lot of comments lately from agents who are considering dropping out or even quitting before getting started, which honestly is no surprise with the real estate industry's 87% dropout rate. And if you're considering quitting, I honestly do not blame you, but I've gone ahead and made this video to help those of you who are struggling, and I challenge each one of you to actually sit through this whole video before you completely decide to give up or get out of the business. Remember why you started. I want to start by having you think about why you wanted to get into real estate in the first place, because somewhere along the line, you decided that getting your real estate license was a good idea and it excited you. What about your life was gonna change by becoming a real estate agent? Was it the fact that you wanted to make more money? If so, what were you going to do with that money? What kind of impact was that money gonna make on your life? Were you interested in getting into real estate investing? Was it just because you wanted to try something new or start a new career? We need to rediscover why you wanted to become an agent in the first place, because this business is hard. There's a lot of things on a daily basis that are discouraging that are gonna happen. And if you don't have a strong why, and you don't remember why you're coming into the office every day and grinding so hard, it's only a matter of time before you're gonna drop out of the business. When you were dreaming of the money, the new cars, and all the success that real estate was gonna bring you, did you really think it was gonna be easy? If it was easy, it wouldn't pay as well as it does, and real estate wouldn't be the opportunity that it is. And the truth is that it's not for everyone. The long hours, the constant contact with clients, the fact that you don't have any personal time, you're giving away your evenings and your weekends, the ups and downs, the instability in income, I could go on and on. It takes a certain kind of person to be able to put up with all the discouraging aspects of being in this business. I always find it funny whenever I do interviews with applicants who want to join the team and get their real estate license. And one of my first questions is always, what has you interested in becoming a real estate agent? And one of the top answers I get is because people want the freedom of schedule. But little do they know, by getting your real estate license, you're basically giving up your evenings and weekends. But you can transform those evenings and weekends into a very nice six-figure income. So how do you turn your real estate career around and start to make the big bucks and your vision board come true? It all comes down to how much action you take. I mean, how much effort are you truly putting in right now? Everybody says they're working hard, but we all tend to do the easy things when we get to work. Maybe you're cleaning and organizing your desk, you're spending hours going through your email or playing on social media. When it's all said and done, are these activities actually producing money, or are they just distractions that are keeping you busy? Be honest with yourself and truly think about what it is that you're doing on a daily basis. I mean, how many calls are you making? How many hours are you spending prospecting? How many business cards are you handing out? How many clients are you meeting with? These are all the things that actually contribute to creating business. And most agents who are thinking about dropping out of the business or are struggling aren't doing the things that actually matter. Nobody wants to call for sale by owners. Nobody wants to call expired listings. Nobody wants to go door knocking or host open houses. But to make it in this business, you have to put in the work. And those are the things that actually contribute to you making money in this business. Don't be a secret agent. When you get started, nobody's gonna come knocking on your door or calling you, wanting you to do business with them. You're going to have to go out there and find the business yourself. And that's gonna be one of the biggest determining factors of being successful as a new real estate agent. So you're working super hard, you're generating these leads, but what if you don't know what to do with the lead once you have it? How much time are you dedicating to becoming better at your craft? How much time are you spending on self-development, say reading business books and real estate books, or listening to podcasts or educational videos like this one? Because if you want to be good at anything, let alone being a real estate agent, you're going to have to study. You're going to have to dedicate yourself to your craft so that you can become good at actually serving your client and converting that client into a commission check. Educate yourself and continue to educate yourself, because that education is what is going to get you ahead of the competition. I personally think that the easiest way is by listening to podcasts and audiobooks. To this day, I still study for at least an hour, if not up to 3 hours per day. Fitting in 3 hours of study may not sound realistic, and you may wonder how in the heck I'm able to do that. But whenever you're listening to podcasts, you're listening to audiobooks, you can do this from the time you get up to getting ready, while you're working out at the gym, doing your stretching. You can have the speaker playing while you're in the shower, while you're eating breakfast. I mean, it's fairly easy to have a couple of hours of self-development in before you even leave the house in the morning. Plus, every time you get in your car, driving to and from work, from appointment to appointment, this is all time that you could be educating yourself and honing in your skills. If you're dedicated to becoming a good real estate agent and not dropping out of the business, you will find a way to fit in the time for self-development and continue to learn. But what if it's not your fault and you just keep losing leads, or they decide to work with another agent, or you just have deals that keep on falling out? The simple answer is that it's just part of the business and that you're going to have tough skin. The problem wasn't the fact that you had a deal fall out. The problem was that you only had one deal. You should have had 10 deals pending, and then that one deal that we all know is gonna fall out anyway wouldn't have hurt so bad. Things change, and I can't even count the number of times that I've shown a client 100 homes and then they've decided to go buy in another state with another agent, or they end up buying a for sale by owner without my representation. The truth is, these things just happen and they should be expected. You just have to be prepared for them. But what about joining a team? Could that be your saving grace? If after everything that we've talked about, you're like, yeah, Anthony, real estate sucks. I'm out of here. I'm not doing this business anymore. But if you've watched this video and now you're feeling, yeah, I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna sell some houses. I'm gonna make this work. I'm really dedicated to making some sales happen, but maybe you don't know where to start, or you work better with a support system, then maybe it's time to consider joining a team. Teams are a great way to get business rolling and fast, give you the support, and really create a consistent business where you have consistent sales. And the best part is you don't have to worry about any of the stresses of overhead and expenses, because that's all on the team leader, which means you can solely focus on going out there, selling houses, and making money. I have 2 new agent partners that I've brought on in the last year and a half, one of which was with another company for 7 months, and during that 7 months had closed 1 deal and was actually considering getting out of the business. Now this last year, he closed about 50 deals. He's gonna make at least 150 grand this year, and really changed his whole business around, and is now a real estate stud that all of our clients love. Sometimes it's not that you're bad at real estate or that you don't have skills that would make you a great real estate agent. It might just be that you don't have the right platform. You don't have the coaching, you don't have the training, you don't have the support, or maybe enough opportunity to go out there and actually make yourself a successful real estate career. These are all things that can be helped by joining a real estate team. And while not all real estate teams are created equal, if you're able to find a team leader that you really click with, that's willing to put the time and effort into you and has the opportunity, it really could be the difference between having a great real estate career or dropping out of the business. I hope that the tough love today really gets you thinking and is hopefully enough to help you turn your real estate business around. I want you to really think about what you're doing on a daily basis, how many people you're talking to, how many hours you're spending prospecting, how much time you're spending learning and dedicating yourself to becoming better at your craft, and if you're really working as hard as you say you are. If there's anything I can do to support you guys, feel free to comment below with any video requests. You can always hit me up directly on Instagram, and we also now have a private Facebook group that you can find in the description. Of course, if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to follow us on your journey to Real Estate Millionaire, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.